Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I am here in the Sandman Hotel in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. And I'm just doing a quick room tour of our room here at the hotel. We stayed here overnight before we're going to cross back into America today and drive home. But I wanted to do a video here real quick. So, we stayed in a King's Deluxe Suite. So I'm going to start from actually the very end, as you can see, all the way out to the front. So it has the bedroom, which has a clock, the phone, lights, TV, and dressers. There is also a closet in here with some hangers and stuff. Now, the hotel has both this old-fashioned manual control, and it also has a control on the wall. We couldn't figure out if they were actually synced or not. I assume that they are. So then, walking into the center section, we have the bathroom. You get a tub and shower combination. Obviously a toilet. The worst sink I have ever seen in my life. To turn it on, you push it back and then you push it sideways. So that's just completely weird. And for some reason the towel is very down low. We have a kitchen with an electric stovetop, microwave, and then we have a fridge, but for some reason the fridge is off balance. So to open it, you have to move it down, then pull it open. Coffee maker. And something I thought was actually cool was they provide you with silverware. So there's pots and pans and everything in here. So now into the suite part of the room. Got some painting, or some photos, on the walls. Another TV. But for some reason, they only gave us one TV remote. So you'd have to take it between rooms. You have a couch that also pulls out into a sofa bed. You have one of these desks that I really like because you can pull them up. So if you're eating, you can pull it up to you. So then you just have a chair, a lamp with some USB ports, and another closet which has some more hangers, a metal thing, and a safe for the room. So I think that's really all for this room. I will probably do a review of this hotel, but since this is the only footage I have here, it'll probably just be this footage again, just with the review on it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I make new videos every week, and thank you guys for watching.